It's been lovely to be back in Neath Market today, welcoming a new stall, Clucky's Cards, so best of luck to them. I'm always campaigning to celebrate and to support the contribution of Neath Market to our local economy here and to the town centre of Neath. That's why it was so important to me last week to be able to host an important meeting here in the market. The Traders Association took myself and members of Neath Port Talbot Council, officers and also officials from the Welsh Government and the Cabinet Secretary who's responsible for town centre planning around the market to see the potential it has here, to see how it needs to be improved, to be able to realise that full potential. So I'm going to keep pressing the case to make sure we get the investment in, and there is money available, or so I'm led to believe. So yeah, we need to get a plan in place now, working with the traders through the local council and get the backing of Welsh Government.